the light that breaks worlds bow, far beyond the calm blue skies of Earth, where silence stretches across endless darkness. Invisible forces quietly reshape the universe. One of those forces is ultraviolet radiation. In deep space, far from planets and protective atmospheres, ultraviolet light travels freely from powerful stars like the sun. The light is beautiful, glowing violet and blue, but it carries enormous energy. And that energy has the power to break molecules apart. The drifting cloud. Inside the vast spiral arms of the Milky Way floated a massive molecular cloud. From a distance, it looked like a soft purple mist stretching for thousands of kilometers. But inside that cloud were countless molecules, water molecules, carbon compounds, simple organic chemicals. They drifted slowly, bumping into each other in the cold darkness. Temperatures were near absolute zero, and time seemed to move slowly. For millions of years, the cloud remained quiet, until the light arrived. The arrival of UV light, a young star, had recently ignited nearby. Its surface burned with unimaginable heat, releasing intense streams of ultraviolet radiation. Unlike visible light, UV rays carried enough energy to break chemical bonds. The radiation shot through space like invisible spears. When the rays reached the molecular cloud, something remarkable began to happen. Molecules began to break. A simple water molecule, H2O, drifted slowly through the cloud. Then a photon of ultraviolet light struck it. Instantly, the energy shattered the bond holding the molecule together. Hydrogen atoms shot away in opposite directions. Oxygen drifted alone. Elsewhere in the cloud, carbon molecules split apart. Complex compounds fractured into smaller pieces. To an observer, the cloud would appear to sparkle. Tiny flashes of energy as chemical bonds snapped under ultraviolet radiation. The destruction was silent, but it was not meaningless. Destruction creates possibility. As molecules broke apart, their fragments began colliding with other particles. Hydrogen met carbon, oxygen met nitrogen. New bonds formed. New molecules were born. Ironically, the same ultraviolet radiation that destroyed molecules also helped create new chemistry. Over millions of years, the cloud slowly changed. Simple atoms recombined into more complex organic molecules, the kinds that might one day become the building blocks of life, the cycle of the universe. In space, creation often begins with destruction. Stars like the sun flood the universe with ultraviolet light. That radiation tears apart molecules inside vast clouds across the Milky Way. But from those broken fragments, new chemistry emerges. And somewhere, in some distant cloud, those molecules may eventually gather together, form planets, form oceans, and perhaps one day, life, just like it did long ago on Earth. All because of a powerful light that travels through space, the ultraviolet light that breaks molecules and reshapes the universe. Oh,